Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So आपने एक previous video देखा रहेगा which was about Gixxer SF150 drum brake का how have we made the mount and how have we installed it on the bike. Now this is a disc brake, so disc brake को mount different आएगा. So disc brake you will get this mount. Okay, it is quite different to drum because यहाँ पे जो disc है वो बीच में आ जाता है. तो इस पे हमने you can see the rust marks and all. We had used a trial mount for almost 15-20 days and we didn't have any issues. So वही mount final किया अब. This is the trial mount that we used. Okay, it's rusted because it was not powder coated that time, and now we've got it powder coated and everything is final. So be with me on the channel, and if you're watching this on my channel for the first time, subscribe and do hit the bell icon for all updates. So guys, from my side what you will get is this mount, 2 SS bolts and 2 big washers. Okay, 4 of these small spring washers. I'll tell you why we need these spring washers. 2 nuts. For now we are going to use the same old nuts because I can show you the new packing also. It will be packed like this. All will be packed like this and everything will be brand new. And let me show you one more thing. You will get these 2 thick washers if you don't get this 2 plain washers. So where do we have to use this thick washers and plain washers? I'll show you in some time. So this is the NS200 tire hugger. Don't get this. Get the RS200 tire hugger, which looks like this but is broader than this one. So this one is a bit slimmer one. But the original RS100 if you buy it from Bajaj, you'll get a much broader one, which will cover your tire to a great extent. So okay, so this one right now sits like this. It almost covers the bike, but if you buy the original RS200, it will cover the bike much better and you will have much lesser splashes compared to the RS160 or NS160 and the NS160 and the NS200. So you have to get RS200 only. I'll leave the the part number for it in the video description. Do have a look at that and get from Bajaj only, Bajaj service centers. So now let's assemble the hugger and then I'll show you how it mounts on the bike. So repeating once more, what you get from me is the mount, 2 Nylolock nut washers, if I missed to share this previously, 2 13 number 2-inch SS bolts and 2 washers. Okay, these are dollar washers here, 2 spring washers, and then either you will get 4 spring washers or you will get 2 big thick dollar washers. These are thick. Okay, now where do we need to use this? So let me assemble and show it to you. So prepare your 2 bolts like this. You put the 1 spring washer here like this one. You put the second spring washer over here. Okay, and so once your bolts are ready, you put the mount between the hugger and the plastic. I mean hugger ka plastic part and hugger ka metal frame, put it between that, and if you see this part is already pinched. Okay, so to let it not pinch further, we are adding this small cut washer as a distance. Okay, this both will go here. Okay, and turn it over. Now if you are using the RS200 hugger, original hugger, you might not need to put any distance over here. So then, since this is a thin one, we need to add the 2 washers over here. Okay, these 2 washers are between the mount and the frame. Okay, lock one in place and then do it for the other side. If you do one by one, it will be easier for you to manage everything. Okay, so I'll send you either these 2 washers, thick ones, or 4 of these spring washers. You can use whatever comes in the packet. You can use this 1 set over here or the 2 sets over here, and then lock this and tighten it completely. So once your hugger is assembled, you need to remove this axle washer and axle nut. We had already removed it because इस पे पहले hugger था, but you have to remove this. Okay, don't shift this anywhere, don't shift the bike when you're working on this, otherwise आपका chain setting change हो जाएगा. And slide the hugger inside, put the washer and put the nut back. Okay, tighten it fully. You require 22 spanner from this side and 17 number from the inside, other side. Tighten this in place completely. And you're done. So this is how the total installation gets done. Okay, and if you see, this hugger is almost coming till here. If you look at it from the side, okay, it is almost just below the tail lamp. So all what your dirt, muck, whatever gets splashed, it doesn't go up, it goes here. It goes in this area. If you see, it is here. It doesn't go on the tail lamp. So this is how the installation is done. Let me show it to you from behind also, and a little bit of side view. So overall your installation should match this one. So guys, if you like the concept and you want to go for the mount, you can get in touch with me. You can collect it from my place in Pune, or I can ship it to your place all over India. You can get in touch with me via my Instagram ID. I'll leave the ID in video description. You can also get in touch with Anand. He's part of the Gixxer Club groups. So even he can pick it up from me and give it to you. Also to add, if you're on my channel for the first time, if you're viewing this on my channel for the first time, I do a lot of DIY videos, I do a lot of review videos, product reviews, services reviews, bike reviews. So I'm sure at some point of time, these will be very useful for you. So do hit the subscribe button, do hit the bell icon to receive all updates from me, and do give me your feedback in this video description about this product too. Thanks for watching. This is Deepen from Pune.